Hi. Today we're going to show you how to do the assembly of this. Okay, so it's called the Blaster 1942. So first of all, we're going to do the internals. To do the internals, you're gonna need the power spring or any jolt style power spring. I got it from this. It's quite cheap. It's like $3 maybe, or any specs similar to this. That will give you about like a 70, basically elite standard, like 65 to 70 something FPS. I highly suggest not to go above that. Otherwise, I do have to do the reinforcement of this part here. We can definitely put one metal part inside for the highest strength. But I don't know if that serves the purpose of the pistol, so I'll just leave it with that. So definitely get a jolt or elite standard spring, similar to this spec. Okay, and then you need I'm going to have the hardware list for you guys, so don't worry about missing anything, any information there. So some M3 16 millimeter in length screws or bolts, 5 nuts, again M3 spec, and then several M3 spec 20 millimeters bolts, and then 2 shorter spring. Got tangled. Okay, and then 1 longer one. Again, you're gonna have all the specs. You can find that in the hardware list. So let's get started. First of all, please remove the support. I have all the specific support settings in a direction. So sometimes you have to use a tree support. Sometimes it's just normal support like this, or sometimes you do have some support just touching the build plate, or sometimes you have to support everywhere. But basically, it's not hard to remove the support. You're gonna see it's quite easy. So this is the piston rod. So let's just remove this. Where's the? Okay. And then this is the cylinder. Just quickly. And then I have the built-in spring, so just get it off. You can just use your fingers to get it off first, and then just deburr. The edge. Make it smooth like this. Also, this is the support we have to remove like this. Notice that you have this and this, right? It should be 2 circles. So remove these 2 here. So just use this. It's all internals. So when you remove that, it doesn't have to be pretty. Okay, just like this. Okay, so get the garbage out. So we have the cylinder, we have the piston rod. So this is the piston cap that is going to here, okay? And then just take this, power spring, and also this. This is the TPU part. It's called piston seal. So if depends on your setting. If you see a little bulge here, the seam outside here, just kind of make it smooth. You don't always have to do that. Depends on your printer's settings. And then here, sometimes it's joined together here. Just here, right? Just cut it open. Okay, like this. So that's the piston seal. And then this is the piston head. You have a little bit of support here, so just get it off. Like so. Now, take 3 and 3, 16, so 16 millimeters in length of the bolts, 3 of them. So we're gonna put the power spring in to the piston rod first. So put it in like so. And notice that there is an angle here, right? For the ease of the installation, I would suggest just do this first. Okay, like this. And then you connect with these two parts. So drop this in, like so. This is a bit tricky, so make sure it's aligned like this. Not like this. Use the flex of the TPU, and then really couldn't hurt to do a proper adjustment to make it align better. So make sure it's sitting flat in the front, and then in the back it looks like this, right? Okay, and then connect these two together like so. It should snap in pretty good with a tight fit. And then grab one of the screw and just connect all together. I'm going to face forward here. Okay, so I almost got it all in already. So make sure it's tightened. It should sit flat to the flush to the surface here. And then you should be able to see a bit of the screw here. Now push the power spring back into its where it should be. Like so. Okay, and then just put some grease. I'm using this. Put some grease around, put it around the seal here. Okay, and then put some grease inside the cylinder. Okay, and then drop the piston rod assembly into the cylinder. So make sure it goes like this way, not this, like this. And then just tighten the end cap of the cylinder onto the cylinder assembly, and using 2 and 3 16 millimeters, so 1/6 millimeter bolts. I'm going to face forward here. Okay, so now it's almost done. Make sure everything is tightened, and just pull back. Okay, to test it. Okay, so the internals are done.